Italian Brainrot animal versus in real life. Ballerina cappuccina. Ballerina cappuccina in real life. Tralalero tralala. Tralalero tralala in real life. Tung 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 sahur. Tung 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 sahur in real life. Lurili larila. Lurili larila in real life. Berber patapim. Berber patapim in real life. Bombardino crocodilo. Bombardino crocodilo in real life. Chimpanzini bananini. Chimpanzini bananini in real life. Cappuccino assassino. Cappuccino assassino in real life. Globo fruttodrillo. Globo fruttodrillo in real life. Blueberrini octopusini. Blueberrini octopusini in real life. Coco fondo elefanto. Coco fondo elefanto in real life. Madiu. Madiu in real life. Spaghetti toiletti. Spaghetti toiletti in real life. Trick track barabum. Trick track barabum in real life. Ta 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 sahur. Ta 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 sahur in real life. Fabrito bandito. Fabrito bandito in real life. You din 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 done. You din 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 done in real life. Fricka camelo. Fricka camelo in real life. Trippy troppy. Trippy troppy in real life. Recognize that voice. Who could it be? Ups.
Patapim, 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 patapim.
That voice belonged to Berber Patapim.
Patapim, 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 patapim.
Only their voice. Can you tell who it is? Nice guess, but it was actually Banshee. Guess the character just from how they sound. So close. That was Chimpanzini. Speaking. Who's behind the mic? Take a shot.
Boneka Ambalabu. Entitas jahat yang banyak meresahkan masyarakat.
Not quite. Wonka Ambalabo was the voice behind that one.
Boneka Ambalabu. Entitas jahat yang banyak meresahkan masyarakat akhir-akhir ini.
That voice sounds familiar. Or does it? You are almost there. It was panic all along. Can you match the voice to the character? Wrong turn. That was Whistlin's voice. Test your ears. Who's speaking now?
Tung 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 sahur. Tung 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 sahur.
Surprise. That one was Tung Sahur.
Tung 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 sahur. Tung 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 sahur.
Sahur, 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 sahur.